This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable, disable, or adjust the sleep mode in Windows 10. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop screen now. To enable or disable or adjust your sleep mode in Windows 10, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to the lower left-hand corner of my screen, down to my little start icon. I'm going to right-click on the start icon. Then I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the dialog box that opens, you want to look for System. You want to click on System. Then on the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go down to where it says Power and Sleep. Click on Power and Sleep. And then for your screen, it gives you I'm on a laptop, so it gives me two options: on battery power, turn off after. You can adjust your screen sleep time. If you wanted to turn it off completely, you would scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Never. And if you're on a laptop, then you want to do when plugged in, you want to choose that too. Then down below that, the sleep mode for your actual device is down below here. It says on battery power. That's because I'm on a laptop. I would adjust it here. You can pick between 1 minute down to 4 or 5 hours, or at the very bottom is Never. If you wanted to shut off the sleep mode altogether, you would click on Never. And down below that, I'm on a laptop, so when plugged in, you would adjust it here too. That is how to enable, disable, or adjust your sleep mode in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.